If you live on Google Cloud, this is the agent framework that was built for you. Agent Development Kit (ADK) is the google-adk Python package, Google's Gemini-native answer to MAF and LangGraph. It is opinionated where it counts. Gemini is the default, Vertex AI is the deployment story, and there is a local web UI for building agents without a clumsy command line loop. You are not locked in. Non-Gemini models work through LiteLLM, but the whole design assumes Gemini first. Here is the entire mental model, and it maps almost one-to-one onto MAF. ADK has 4 building blocks. An LlmAgent is an LLM plus instructions plus tools. That is the unit of agency. Tools are plain Python functions exposed to the agent, exactly the same idea as MF. Sessions hold conversation state the way MAF threads do. And a runner is the execution layer. It wires an agent to a session and actually runs the loop. Let me walk the smallest program because 4 objects is the whole thing. First, the agent. You create an LlmAgent, give it a name, the model string Gemini 2.5 flash, and an instruction, which is its system prompt. Notice the model is a string, not an object. ADK resolves to Gemini by default, and for OpenAI or Anthropic, you would wrap the name in LiteLLM instead. Tools come in the next lesson. For now, this agent just answers from the model. Second, a session service. In-memory is fine for development. Production swaps in a persistent backend like the Vertex AI session service or cloud memory store. Third, a runner that ties the agent to that session service. Then you create a session for a user and call run_async with a new message. And here is the one shape to internalize early. Run_async does not return a single answer. It yields a stream of events. You loop over those events and pick out the final response or the intermediate tool calls and model thoughts along the way. That event stream is ADK's fundamental shape, more fine-grained than EMAP's, and it is what lets you build a UI that shows the agent thinking step by step. One more thing the code quietly teaches. The agent itself is stateless. All the per-user state lives in the session, which is why one LlmAgent definition can serve thousands of users at once. The unique key is the triple: app name, user ID, session ID. Now the single best ergonomic feature ADK has. Run adk web in your agents directory and it serves a browser playground. You chat with the agent and watch every event inline. Tool calls, model thoughts, token counts, the whole trace. But treat adk web like a Jupyter notebook. It is a local debugger, never a production serving layer. Define the agent, stream the events, and let the runner do the work. 4 blocks, 1 event stream, and you have a Gemini agent running.